Alright, this is the elevator at the Bloomingdale store, Mall Millenia, Orlando, Florida. Let's go down to 1. This is Mowrey, I believe. What's 3? I'm not sure if it's a KONE or a Mowrey. Here we go. Or 3, back down to 1. Here, cab view. Very nice interior. Fixtures, GAL, JetPlus, EPCO Circle Line, hands-free ADA code behind phone. 4,000 pound capacity. Typical Bloomingdale style floor. Installed in 1999. Under inspection. I'm not sure if this is obviously generic. My guess it's a Mowrey, because KONE typically don't use JL. There goes and that's it.